Teman-teman, balik lagi nih di channel ini. Jadi pada kali ini kita kembali akan melanjutkan perjalanan kita untuk menamatkan Genshin Impact nih teman-teman. So teman-teman, bagi kalian yang suka dengan video ini, please like, komen, dan subscribe. Komen jika ada kurang-kurang dengan video seperti ini. Kalau kalian suka, like dan kalian subscribe channel ini agar channel ini terus berkembang dan gue bisa mendapatkan game-game lainnya lagi nih teman-teman. Nah, gimana nih kabar kalian? Gue berharap kalian sehat selalu, sukses selalu untuk kita. Semoga rezeki selalu ada untuk kita ke depan-depannya ya teman-teman. So, tanpa banyak basa-basi lagi, gue akan mulai permainannya dan mulai perjalanan kita untuk mendapatkan Genshin Impact. Oke? Stay tune ya teman-teman. So, recap terakhir. Terakhir itu kita sudah sampai dapetin Holy Lyre, The Hill Himmel. Itu berarti kayak harpa kecil gitu. Nah, kita ini harus melawan naga nantinya. Nah, ini karena ini masih di tempatnya pertama, perjalanan yang masih panjang. Gue udah ngecek beberapa kali, ternyata Genshin ini udah sampai Arkon Api ya. Arkon berarti ya Dewa Api. So, jadi kalau dibilang perjalanan kita ini masih sangat panjang nih teman-teman, untuk bisa ini tamat. Ini gue klaim dulu. Nah, kemarin itu gue sempet mainin ini. Jadi beberapa udah gue mainin dan beberapa karakter gue juga udah gue naikin ya. Udah gue naikin sampai ke adventure rank 13 nih. Tapi sekarang kita fokus sama Arkon. Tapi sebelum itu kita punya story quest nih teman-teman. Jadi kemungkinan besar kita mainin dulu story questnya, baru kita lanjut lagi ke Arkon. Nah, kita langsung teleport aja ke sini supaya cepet ya. Sejujurnya Genshin ini asik. Kalau kalian pengen mainin ini, kita bisa mainin ini secara gratis ya teman-teman. Agak gede ya. Secara gratis ya, kalian download aja di Play Store. Kalau gue mainin di Android, kalian bisa mainin di PS5, PS4, Xbox X atau S, dan juga PC nih teman-teman. Jadi ini platformnya banyak nih.
Keep it down! I'm hunting! I've always heard about the wide range of ingredients you can find in Mondstadt, and it looks like it's true! No, I'm a chef! A chef on a mission to find rare and exotic ingredients from all corners of the world. My name's Xiangling. I'm from Liyue Harbor. And you? Hello, my name's Paimon. Paimon! Why are you looking at me like that? What an exotic creature! Is it edible? What a bummer. Can't eat it if it's your friend. You seem like good friends. I have a good friend too, called Goba. Isn't that the name of a Liyue snack? Both the snack and my friend have a special place in my heart. Anyway, can you do some hunting for me? There's lots of game around here that would be amazing to cook with. I can't catch anything to save my life, and I don't want to miss out. Sounds like a bit of an ordeal. Don't be like that. Come on, I'll whip you up a tasty snack later. Ooh, you had me a tasty snack. Don't worry, we're the bestest hunters ever. Don't worry about it. Your friend has already given me a response. I don't care how it's done, so long as you bring me back some raw meat. Great! Then I'll leave you to it.
Ini story tentang Xiangling ya. Tapi kayaknya kalau raw meat gue ada banyak, jadi kita langsung selesaiin lagi.
Wowie! This is great! Some of it I'll shallow fry, some of it I'll deep fry with mushrooms. Ooh, and I wonder how well it goes with slime condensate. Yay! You have finally come around to my food preferences! Sorry. I got all excited thinking about new recipes. As promised, a tasty snack. Go on, try it. And tell me what you think. Are we your food testers now? Oh gosh, this is delicious. Can you tell us how to make it? Sure. The only thing is I haven't written down the recipe yet. I got it. I'll make another one now so you can watch. I'm sure you'll pick it up straight away. This seems pretty hard to make. It'll take more than that to learn how to make it. And we don't have a frying pan or any condiments. Come on, it's simple. We can fry on a slab of stone and cook using some boar fat. Build a stove from rocks. Use dry grass for kindling, twigs for firewood. Sweet flowers will do for sugar. As for salt, I found a load of rock salt in a cave the other day. There's still plenty left. I just can't help myself when there's a chance to try something new. But I can't exactly bring my whole kitchen with me every time I leave the house, either. Give me a second while I get everything ready.
Hey! What do you think? This is the boar's natural habitat. You can't hunt them here. You'll send them all running. We hunters know better than to kill the chicken to get at the egg.
Oh, I get it. The freshest, best quality meat comes from free-range boars that grow up in the environment nature intended for them. If they all ran off, it would be a major blow to gastronomy. No, to all mankind. I'm sorry. I got excited and didn't think of the impact we'd have.
You should apologize to Draff. As our leader, he always stresses the importance of respecting the rules of the hunt. I'm afraid he is very upset right now.
I made a mistake, and I should go and apologize. Thanks, guys. I'll cook up some more tasty snacks for you once this is over. Okay, don't worry. Paimon will remember even if you forget. Draff ought to be in Springvale. Let's go!
Story quest ini emang harus dikerjain ya teman-teman, jadi supaya kita bisa tahu tentang beberapa hal yang terjadi. Wah, tiba-tiba dia nyerang. Yang terjadi di gua kira silly. Yang terjadi di Genshin, supaya kita nggak ketinggalan tentang ceritanya gitu. Jadi sebelum kita ke Archon Quest itu adalah quest utamanya, ya kita nyelesain story quest ini. Dan itu juga tidak boleh dilewatkan ya teman-teman. Kita disuruh ke sini dulu.
Someone needs assistance.
You must be Xiangling.
Sorry, Mr. Draff. This was all my fault.
I heard the whole story. And now that you're here in person...
Ooh, he's gonna let her have it.
Please, help me promote my meat.
Huh?
Sorry if I was a little brash. Let me explain. Springvale has built its reputation on top-quality meat products, but this reputation is so far limited to Mondstadt. When I heard that the great maestro Xiangling herself was in Mondstadt, I asked Alan to send you over.
Maestro?
Haven't you heard? She's the one behind Wanmin Restaurant, that one-of-a-kind folk restaurant in Liyue Harbor. Her unique take on cooking ingredients is behind some of the best-loved dishes in all of Liyue. They are very highly rated by travelers, too.
You're too kind. I just try to cook things that are cheap and cheerful.
With a top-notch chef cooking top-notch cuisine with top-notch meat from Springvale, our reputation would spread far and wide.
I don't know. I only ever think about how to make tasty dishes. I never limit myself to specific ingredients, and I don't know the first thing about promoting anything.
You use boar meat all the time anyway, surely. I can't see what the issue is.
The issue is... What would you think if I added a bit of slime condensate?
That's... I mean, couldn't you add something a bit more normal?
There's no such thing as normal ingredients to me. You can turn anything into a delicacy if you cook it in the right way. I will not stand for having my creativity shackled by what ingredients I can and can't use. Food cooked like that is destined to be boring. Period.
Well, since you feel so strongly about it, forget it. But it really is a pity.
You know, reason to apologize. Couldn't you be a little more flexible? It's one thing to apologize, but it's another thing entirely to change the way I approach cooking. What's that smell? It's gorgeous! Hello? May I have a taste of your delicious cooking?
Sorry, I've taken all the orders I can for the next few days. The earliest I could put you down for is 7 days from now. Is that okay?
Wow, it must be delicious if it's that popular. Yeah, good point. Why does Draft want Xiangling to help when Springvale already has this lady?
Maybe he feels that Mondstadt cuisine can't compete with that of Tevat's biggest business hub, Luya Harbor. But I disagree. I don't think my cooking is at all inferior to anyone else's.
Well then, show me what you got. Maybe I could give you some feedback.
Sorry, but customer feedback like, "Oh, that tasted good," is no use to me. If I wanted feedback, I would ask a professional chef. Hang on. Are you Xiangling?
That's me.
It's really you! Well, I guess you do know what you're doing when it comes to cooking meat, then. As it happens, I have one of today's prime cuts remaining. So tell me, how would you cook this?
That depends on the ratio of fat to meat. With this cut, I would probably roast it over a hot stone with a little salt, some Joyun chili, and Kingston flour.
Ginseng flour? But the melted fat would make the flavor of the flowers 10 times stronger than when eaten raw. It would overpower everything.
I know, that's why it's a garnish. I would never marinate the meat in it. I've tried it before. If you baste the petals in oil and then cook them with the right heat and duration, it gets rid of the bitterness completely and leaves you with a lovely crispy topping. Then throw in some Joyun chilies grown at a high altitude where the low humidity and varying temperatures lends them a unique dry heat. The petals absorb the saltiness from the sea salt, the chili spice, and the umami of the tender, freshly grilled steak, while also adding a floral aftertaste.
That's pure overkill. You're going all out on the trimmings and doing no justice to the meat whatsoever. Who wants to eat a roast when you can taste everything except the roast?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Stop arguing! Well, there's only one surefire way out of a cooking dispute. I declare a cook-off!
Suits me. If you can't beat my cooking, it'll show that Draft was clearly wrong about you.
All right. But if I win, you have to use my winning dish to promote Springvale.
And if you lose, you have to add my winning dish to the Wan Min menu, with a caption saying, "This special addition to the Wan Min menu is generously provided by Chef Brooke of Springvale, meat expert."
It's a deal. I'm off to get ingredients. I will see you all. Wait! Let's try and catch up.
Oh, jauh. Kita selesain ini. Kita cek dulu. Oh, enggak jauh. Seperti kita bisa ke sini dulu. Terus kita ke sana ya. Jadi kita harus nyelesain satu story supaya kita bisa lanjut terus-terusan. Karena kalau nggak kayak gitu, nanti malah jadinya campur aduk. So, gua nih suka banget sama si Yura ini. Termasuk keren ya game ini ya. Ukuran gamenya itu kalau di Android gini nggak begitu silly. Nah, kalau silly kayak gini, teman-teman itu naik, kejar silly-nya ya. Tuh. Silly-nya ke situ. Kita kejar lagi. Nah, biasanya nanti kita dapet chest dari silly itu. Ini jadi yang ini tuh namanya silly. Tuh, jadi kita kejar aja. Ikutin terus dia kemana. Itu tuh. Nah, itu tuh biasanya tempat silly itu. Ini apa ya? Dan teman-teman juga kalau lagi main Genshin itu harus kumpulin yang kayak gitu-gitu nanti berguna untuk naikin karakter yang kita pakai. Contohnya yang lagi gue pakai ini itu namanya Noel. Nah itu nanti pada saat gue mau
Dusty. Best give it
level
a
up
spring
dia,
cleaning.
gue harus punya bahan-bahan untuk dia sendiri gitu. Cuman deh karena ini masih AR di bawah, jadi gue kurang tahu si Noel ini butuhnya apa ya. Nah kalau kalian pokoknya semua yang bisa kalian cari atau dapetin nih kalian dapetin, ambilin aja. Siapa tahu nanti ya berguna ya. Kayak kita harus
Someone needs
kesini
assistance.
karena energi gue belum ini nih, belum banyak. Jadi kita juga harus pelan-pelan. Takutnya tenggelam. Jadi game ini juga bisa tenggelam nih. Game gratis mana yang bisa ngasih grafik kayak gini teman-teman. Cuma kayak gue juga suka nih mainin game ini. Gue suka banget dengan game yang gue nggak perlu ngejar apa-apa, maininnya santai. Itu gue suka banget. Jadi nggak kompetitif gitu loh. Kayak kalau kalian sehabis kerja kalian main game kayak ini kan rasanya tenang. Kayak gue suka dengan game-game yang seperti ini.
I think we're getting close. Have you decided what you're looking for yet? Of course not. Then how are you so sure of yourself? That's just my style. If I decided in advance exactly how I was going to cook something, there'd be no element of surprise to the dish. In the same way, if I knew what I was looking for before I found it, it wouldn't be a surprise. But that's so risky. Relax. This is how I came up with all the signature dishes at Wanmin Restaurant. Let's look around here. I'll let you know when I find something I like.
Ini Statue of Seven-nya perlu kita buka nggak ya? Tapi takutnya nanti terlalu banyak menghabiskan waktu ya. Sebenarnya gue pengen buka dulu.
I'll catch up.
Cuma gue kurang tahu nih dia seberapa jauh.
Someone needs assistance.
Kita coba buka deh teman-teman ya. Sekalian explore di di dunia Genshin yang ini. Nah, Noel itu juga kalau misalkan kita ngambilin kayak mining lah, kalau misalkan di game lain kan ngomongnya mining. Noel ini cepat banget kalau untuk mining. Sepertinya gue mau kesana dulu. Kayak jauh gak sih? Kita coba. Kayak jauh ya. Coba nanti gue buka ya. Terus sekarang kita fokus ke misi dulu supaya nggak terlalu banyak waktu yang kita buang. Ini nyerang-nyerang aja, ada quest, ada chest. Kita ambil dulu ya.
I'll catch up.
Come a little closer.
Langsung mati. Terus kita ambil ini dulu.
A reward on the road.
Kita disuruh nyari apa ya di sini ya? Nyari kok. Apa disuruh nyari slime ya? Cek dulu. Tadi kan dibilang soal slime condensate ya. Jadi kita coba cari. Apa ini ya?
This
Huh?
should be enough.
Saya udah.
It's not every day you come to Liyue. Let's keep looking and see what else we can find.
Tapi gue gak tahan ya. Jadi gue pengen banget rasanya ngebuka mapnya dulu. Soalnya kita lanjutin questnya. Cuman terlalu jauh sebenarnya. Soalnya gue udah jalan segini aja. Dia di sebelah situ. Nanti ada pas ada kesempatan gue mainin. Coba kita ini dulu ya.
Wow, Joyun chilies. know, but those little fellas pack quite a punch. From what I've observed, spicy food is a rarity in Mondstadt, so this will be perfect. Go and pick some. Get a good handful.
Gue liat dulu. Seingat gue ini bisa dihancurin. Tuh, kalau pakai karakter yang pedangnya nggak besar, udah agak susah gitu kan. Coba kita lihat mungkin well. Oh, dapat chest juga.
All in a day's work.
Sebenarnya itu di situ ya. Sepertinya mau gue buka dulu apa enggak ya teman-teman? Apa jika ada kesempatan yang lain aja? Kita fokus terhadap ini dulu ya, terhadap story atau questnya. Nanti kalau kita memang disuruh menjadi ke sana pasti gue buka sih.
I still feel like we're lacking something. It's missing a little boom shakalaka. Yeah, now that you mention it, it is a little boom shakalaka lacking. Brooke may be a stickler for convention, but she is a talented chef nonetheless. There's no doubt she will source the fanciest quality ingredients. To win this will take a truly mind-blowing dish. Something like sea serpent salad, stir-fried Kingston flour, or wild mushrooms in a rich slime jus. A slime? I know how weird it sounds, but I guarantee you it tastes incredible. I'll make some for you next time. You won't be disappointed when you taste it, although it looks a teensy bit gross. Never mind that. I've just remembered there's somewhere I never checked out last time. My gut tells me that's where we'll hit the jackpot. Let's take a look.
Naik lagi. Semakin tinggi AR-nya, semakin baik yang bisa kita buka. Jadi ya kok pakai story-story yang kayak gini harus dimainin. Nah ini gimana cara ngambilnya,
No, my sword.
pakai air. Ini juga harus kita ambil karena ini bisa bikin senjata dan kawan-kawan. Suruh kesini.
Steady as stone. I'll catch up.
You're in for a little shock.
Let me weave you a verse.
Oke, udah selesai. Xingqiu ini enak ya teman-teman. Jadi dia tuh kayak support banget gitu rasanya.
Treasure hunting. A valiant endeavor.
Ini gimana caranya? Dah.
Leave no stone unturned.
Juga harus dibuang-buang. Oh ternyata di bawah. Ini gue ambil dulu. Lumayan kan, tuh ada chest juga. Gue gatel, jadi gue harus ngambil. Soalnya chest kayak gini penting, pokoknya kita harus rata ya. Jadi kalau mau tamatin benar-benar harus rata. Kita garap semuanya. Cakep ya. Udah lumayan kuat. Tapi masih jauh banget ini teman-teman. Setahu gue karakter itu maksimal tuh di level 2, di level 90. Level kita aja masih level 20. Nah ini internetnya lagi kenapa nih?
Is this an answer from this world?
So, sorry ya teman-teman kalau misalkan video gue emang agak kurang bagus atau masih sering nge-frame ya karena gue pakai barang atau peralatan yang seadanya banget nih. Ya cuma pakai earphone atau sama pakai tab doang, tapi semoga kalian suka ya.
What's that?
Jadi kalau kalian suka,
Somebody's injured.
kalau kalian suka, please banget like, komen dan subscribe. Semoga semakin banyak kalian subscribe, kalian komen, kalian like, semakin besar channel ini, gue akhirnya bisa beli peralatan-peralatan yang jauh lebih bagus lagi supaya gue bisa mainin game-game yang lainnya juga.
So cold.
He's shivering. We need to warm him up quick. Make a fire! Hot soup would be even better. How about I look after him while you make him a nice warm bowl of soup? We passed a Hilichurl camp on the way here. There'll almost certainly be a campfire there to cook on. Great. Be as quick and...
Berarti di atas ya. Ingat gue campnya di atas. Ini harus diambil juga. Pokoknya benar-benar kita harus ngumpulin tuh material-material seperti itu penting teman-teman. Game ada lagi yang kalian bisa manjat-manjat kayak gini. Gue suka sih, bener-bener gue suka nih. Ada beberapa campuran dari game-game yang lainnya juga ya, makanya gue suka dengan Genshin ini. Jadi dia gak ngebosenin juga sebenarnya. Dan umur game ini juga udah lumayan lama nih teman-teman. Sedikit gue udah 4 tahun ya. 4 tahun semenjak dia rilis. Ini agak tinggi nih. Coba kita lihat lagi. Cuma ya ngeboseninnya itu kita harus manjat-manjat kayak gini nih. Dia terlalu baik. Terlalu banyak tebing-tebing yang harus kita panjat. Kalau misalkan gue bisa punya karakter yang emang cepet gitu, ini apa ya? Oh, oke. Bentar ya teman-teman ya. Sebentar, gue harus ganti ke Amber dulu. Seperti itu harus nyalain pakai api. Nah ini tergantung. Jadi environmentalnya si Genshin ini juga tergantung dari elemen yang kita pakai nih. Bener kan api kan? Misalkan kayak obor kayak gini nyalainnya pakai api. Ada satu lagi di teman-teman. Oh ini dia.
These will come in handy.
Kita harus garap semua. Kita ganti lagi. Gue suka Noel, jadi gue tukar-tukar terus ya. Karena menurut gue Noel itu yang paling oke sih untuk dimainin. Kenapa enak? Karena dia punya shield. Dan dia juga bisa nge-heal. Jadi gue udah punya karakter support ya kan.
As a dutiful maid would.
Ini harus dikejar nih.
I must leave no stone unturned.
Oke, gua ambil chestnya terus kita masak ya, bisa masak. Tapi apinya mati. Karena apinya mati, berarti kita harus pindahin lagi ke Amber. Dan kita nyalain pakai elemen ini ya. Jadi disuruh bikin ini ya kayaknya. Oh ya benar, this veggie soup. Gue udah pernah masak sekali, ada questnya. Jadi kita cepat makan. Salah. Astaga. Nah ini. Teledor banget. Oke. Udah jadi kita ke si Xiangling lagi. Nah Xiangling itu karakternya bisa didapetin kalau kita sudah menyelesaikan apa yang aja kayak gini. Oh, like kalau kita sudah menyelesaikan ini nih.
Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Xiangling. I'm a chef from Liyue. My favorite place is the the kitchen.
Harus adventure yang 20 dulu. Kita masih 14, berarti masih agak lama. Kita kesini dulu ya. Kalau nggak salah di sini sih. ada.
Surrender and be gentle. Come a little closer. He. You. He. He. You're in for a little shock. You've been a naughty boy. Ugh. My.
Ternyata ada chest juga ya.
What do you think, cutie?
Kita garap semua sampai botak. Moto yang harus dijalanin di game yang kayak gini. Garap semua sampai botak. Jadi apapun yang kita dapetin kita harus ambil, kita dapetin kita harus ambil.
Oh, that is better. Thank you. That soup really did the trick. Yes. I was chasing a boar. And after chasing him all this way, he slipped into those underground ruins over there. I followed him inside, but ran into a cryo-regis vine. It froze me instantly. When I woke up, I ran straight outside, but I only made it this far before my strength failed me.
How big was it exactly?
They do now. I'd heard of them before from others, but this was the first time seeing one with my own eyes.
Yikes! We should definitely keep our distance from the ruins. It sounds dangerous. It sounds delicious! That's it! The missing ingredient! The icing on the cake! Calm down. Can we really eat a tree that's that aggressive? Only one way to find out. Let's go! Off she goes again.
Do not worry about me. I'll be fine. But you must stop her. She's putting herself in grave danger.
So teman-teman, kemungkinan besar gue harus berhentiin dulu videonya di sini. Nanti kita lanjutin lagi. So jika kalian suka dengan video seperti ini, please like, komen kurang-kurangnya apa, dan subscribe channel ini agar channel ini terus berkembang ya teman-teman. Jadi kita akan lanjut lebih di episode selanjutnya. Bye bye teman-teman.